What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got Blake. Yay! Alright, well today, I guess you could explain, what we're gonna do today?
We're gonna tint the taillights on my Tundra, just give it a little different look.
Yeah, we're not really sure, we've never done this, but we're gonna try. If we mess up, it's your fault.
It is.
Alright, so these are the 2018 style rear taillights of a Toyota Tundra. I think the hardest part is going to be these, man. I don't know how we're going to do these. But, one thing that might actually look sick too? Just this, bro.
They have this. You can actually buy that as like a piece that'll just cover around this. But I've seen it on trucks before and I didn't really like it.
You want to just go all black?
Yeah, just give it a try. I saw another Tundra similar to mine have it and it looked good, so why not make mine look good too?
Well, first thing before anything, he went ahead and sprayed down the truck, and then as well he used some like just regular cleaner to be able to clean the truck a little bit, so these lights are actually clean and there's no like dust or anything on the surface, because when you lay the tint down, you don't want it to have anything under it. Kind of like the same concept of like wrapping a car,
Yeah, it is.
Almost. And the required tools for this, you're gonna need one of these. These are like blades for like being able to straighten it. Now you're gonna need a bottle of spray. You use water. We're gonna use some like cleaner material. Yeah, soap and water. Exactly like Blake said, dude. Dude, your hair looks nice, man.
Dude,
you
does
look
it?
good on
Thanks,
camera.
man. Thanks, I try.
Yeah, that's good. Good job. Alright, first thing you're gonna want to do is you want to heat it up and flatten it out. So it's flat. We're using a hair dryer. Blake forgot the heat gun.
Yep, I did. I want to hold these corners down.
Dude, it's all good that you messed up, dude. We all mess up, man. Dude, what you're gonna want to do is spray it right now.
Spray it. Get it going.
Just kidding, right? You want to spray the light first, and then you're gonna take it off and you're gonna lay it over. The reason of spraying it is when you put it on, if you need to remove it, you can just lift it up easily. And then after, when we use the heat gun and also that tool, you're going to be able to take it out. And then you tuck it into all these areas right here, and then with the razor you're able to cut it and use that tool to lay it down and then heat it up. Wow, dude, this looks amazing.
Professionally done.
Driving around like this.
Anybody need their taillights done, you know where to come.
Yep. What a failure, man.
Terrible.
Wow. We just needed it for mock-up purposes.
Yep.
I don't think the camera can tell how horrible it looks.
Good, because it looks perfect, guys.
This looks... Guys, don't do this. Yeah, we're not really sure how to... Yeah, total fail, man. You might just have to pay someone to do it.
Most likely.
But if you pay someone, you could tell them, hey, if they want, we go there and shoot it. Yeah. Shout out to whoever shop that wants to support. Because this is just like a sad meme.
I know.
Wow.
Terrible. You did a terrible job, Trigga.
Dude, it was all you, bro. That's me right there. This is you.
That's me.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Like I had explained before, guys, I've been on vacation, so this video was just a little small funny video. We actually thought we were going to be able to get this done and be able to install this properly, but hey, joke's on us because we failed. Big, huge, epic fail, me and Blake, of course, but that's okay, guys. We had to try it out, we had to learn. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And from next Saturday, we'll be back to normal schedule. I have a new video coming for you guys with a new install, and we'll be right back up to speed. And like I said, we'll be going to be doing the dyno soon. There's just a couple things remaining before we can do that. But I hope you guys have a safe rest of your weekend, and thank you for watching, guys. Keep saving your money. See you guys next week. Peace out.